It's exactly what I need.
What is it, Charlie?
Dad found it. Just the piece I needed.
What piece was it?
A head for Willy Wonka.
Well, how wonderful. It's quite a likeness.
You think so?
Think so? I know so.
Likeness means the fact or quality of being alike, resemblance. Example: her likeness to him was astonishing.
The factory did close, Charlie.
And it seemed like it was going to be closed forever. Then, one day, we saw smoke rising from the chimneys. The factory was back in business.
Did you get your job back?
No. No one did.
To be back in business means to be working or operating normally again. Example: the weekly market is back in business after its winter break.
The kid who finds the first ticket will be fat.
Augustus, how did you celebrate?
I eat more candy. We knew Augustus would find the golden ticket. He eats so many candy bars a day that it was not possible for him not to find one.
Told you it'd be a poker.
What a repulsive boy.
Only 4 golden tickets left.
Now that they found one, things will really get crazy.
Porker means a pig, especially one raised to produce meat. And it also means a fat person. Repulsive means extremely unpleasant or unacceptable. Examples: what a repulsive old man. I think rats and snakes are repulsive.
Daddy, I want another pony.
She's even worse than the fat boy.
I don't think that was really fair. She didn't find the ticket herself.
Don't worry about it, Charlie. That man spoils his daughter, and no good ever comes from spoiling a child like that.
To spoil a child is to allow a child to do or have everything that it wants to, usually so that it expects to get everything it wants and does not show respect to other people. Example: you're behaving like a spoiled child.
This special prize better than all the rest? I don't care who those other 4 are. That kid, it's gonna be me.
Tell them why, Violet.
Because I'm a winner.
What a beastly girl.
Despicable.
Beastly means unkind or unpleasant. Examples: why are you being so beastly to me? We've had beastly weather all summer. Despicable means very unpleasant or bad, causing strong feelings of dislike and hatred. Example: despicable behavior. He's a despicable human being.
Try some of my grass. Please have a blade, please do. It's so delectable and so darn good looking.
You can eat the grass.
Of course you can. Everything in this room is eatable. Even I'm eatable. But that is called cannibalism, my dear children, and is in fact frowned upon in most societies. Yeah. Enjoy. Come on. Let's go.
Frown on, or frown upon something, means to disapprove of something. Examples: smoking is frowned upon in many societies. Public expressions of affection are frowned upon in many cultures. Scoot means to go quickly. Examples: I'm scooting off to the seaside for a few days holiday. I'll have to scoot or I'll miss my train. For more content like that, subscribe to our channel.